Last time, we discussed the potential impact of the destruction of the Moon. One of them was that the freshly destroyed Moon's debris could gather as rings around the Earth. Today, we will explore how our lives would be impacted if Earth actually had those rings. First, the landscape and the sky would change completely. Looking out at the sky, you'd be able to see these rings from Earth at all times. At the equator, they would appear directly overhead as a thin, bright line running east to west. Moving away from the equator, the rings would appear wider and ever closer to the horizon. However, the light reflected off the rings after the sun had set would prove problematic for nocturnal species. Pub crawlers, dung beetle or bats would probably not like it too much. The weather and climate would also be impacted as the shadow cast by the rings would cause massive temperature drops in certain areas, making them almost uninhabitable. Space travel would probably be impossible as the rings would create a barrier around the planet. Communication satellites might also be affected as they would find themselves in the middle of a rock storm with a disrupted magnetic field. We'd need to find another way to keep the internet alive if we want to keep posting selfies on a ringed Earth. But hey, let's not worry about our precious internet. Earth is not about to have rings. Next time, we will discuss what would happen if the sun was replaced by a black hole. Stay tuned.